ശങ്കർ സാറിന്റെ മൂവിയിൽ അഭിനയിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാല് ആ ഹീറോയിന്റെ കരിയർ ഗ്രാഫ് താഴെ പോകുന്നതായിട്ടാണ് കണ്ടിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഇറ്റ്സ് നോട്ട് ബിക്കോസ് ദി ആക്ടേഴ്സ് കഴിവില്ലായ്മ, അതല്ല. ശങ്കർ സാറിന്റെ മൂവീസ് ബിഗ് ഹ്യൂജ് മൂവീസ് ആയതുകൊണ്ട് the other directors might not be able to pull that hard, like അത്ര വലിയ സിനിമകൾ ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടായതുകൊണ്ടായിരിക്കും. But for you it was never been like that.
Let me tell you, when Shankar sir came to me with Gentleman, we don't know how big it is. When he came to me with Indian, big എന്നുള്ളത് it's in the idea. It is not a film, the chalavalla is going to make the film big. So, it's very wrong to say the other actors paid him. Shankar sir, it is a big film. He is taking you to that level of collection. The next man should beat that record or come to that record. That has nothing to do with talent, either Mr. Shankar or the actor. That is the collection that Gopalan sir says that 638 prints and it has collected very well. It is the best in Shankar's career. Now that is not a down for him. That is an enthusiasm for him and me. It will not. അയ്യോ ഇതിനും കൂടുതൽ ഒന്നും ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല എന്നുള്ള പേടിയും വരില്ല, സങ്കടവും വരില്ല ജനങ്ങൾക്ക്. ബിക്കോസ് ദിസ് ഇസ് ദ ഔട്ട് വി ആർ ലുക്കിംഗ് ഫോർ. ഇപ്പൊ ഞാൻ ഇത് ഈ രംഗത്ത് പറഞ്ഞു തുടങ്ങിയപ്പോൾ 19 പ്രിന്റ് ചെയ്തിരുന്ന നടനാണ് ഞാൻ. ഇന്ന് 66, 38 എന്തോ. That will be the growth or there will be no growth. I have seen much more talented actors than me who have never had an opportunity of even meeting Shankar. What are we going to say for that? That is not Mr. Shankar's fault nor his fault. Sometimes it happens like that. We'll have to get worried about these kind of tragedies and see that they don't happen every time. I know, really. Let me tell you of one Malayali actor. None of you who are below 40 will remember him. His name is Suraju. He is a friend. He is an actor. Soman and I were friends. He did the MA twice, I think, or something like that. He was in the Air Force. He is a Kuchipudi dancer. And we used to have Malsarangalaka, Nyan, Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi. Whatever I did, he could do. He is a fantastic writer. Do you remember him now?
Suraj, is it?
Suraj. Yes. Many will know. If you ask Balachandran Jollikada, he will tell you about Suraj. This is not his stage. I brought him to the stage. The truth is, Suraj is a great artist, remembered even after his death. He died in a railway station. Someone went and identified his body and called me to tell. Now Suraju died in the streets. So this is the tragedy we must try to avert. I brought the story to another tragic end instead of a smile on all the faces. But these things also happen, and this is a happy moment that budget, talent and distribution comes together. How many times does it happen in the film industry? So when it happens, let's celebrate it. And also remember how we have neglected great talents. That is why we are proud of Nedumudi Venu being in the film. Because Nedumudi Venu is, you could have made 10 films, 100 films with Nedumudi Venu as a lead man. He is star material, but we kept him in the character material. That is the truth. But Nedumudi Venu is capable of what all we can do and a little more. Dance he will do it. I know, I've seen him do it. So that is the way it is. So I'm answering the long, such giving you a long answer because ഞാൻ പേടിച്ചു പോയി. Because ഇനിയും Indian 3 ഉണ്ട്. So that is what I'm trying to defend.
So can we have any new?
Yeah, it's possible within 6 months if everything goes well. If the VFX works is done, it is possible. And additionally, one more information I want to give. You can see the trailer of Indian 3 at the end of the Indian 2 movie.